Did you know that in the vast, mysterious depths of our oceans, there exists a creature that has seemingly unlocked the secret to eternal youth? Imagine an animal that, when faced with old age or injury, can literally hit the reset button on its life, transforming back into a baby and starting all over again. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, often called the immortal jellyfish. This incredible hydrozoan is tiny, typically only about 4.5 millimeters across, smaller than your pinky nail. When it encounters environmental stress, physical damage, or simply gets old, instead of dying, it can revert from its adult medusa stage back to its sexually immature, juvenile polyp form. This isn't just regeneration, it's a complete biological rewind. The jellyfish achieves this through a rare process called transdifferentiation. Its specialized adult cells, like those in its bell and tentacles, transform into entirely different types of specialized cells, essentially reprogramming its entire body. It's like a butterfly, instead of completing its life cycle, suddenly turning back into a caterpillar to live its larval stage all over again. Theoretically, this remarkable life cycle reversal can repeat indefinitely, granting the Turritopsis dohrnii biological immortality. While individuals can still fall prey to predators or disease, this internal reset button allows it to cheat old age and continuously rejuvenate. This unique ability makes it a living paradox, a creature that continuously defies the natural cycle of life and death, and it's the only known animal capable of this complete reversal in the entire animal kingdom. Scientists are intensely studying this tiny Benjamin Button jelly to unlock the secrets of its cellular reprogramming. Understanding transdifferentiation could offer groundbreaking insights into regenerative medicine, stem cell research, and even the potential for combating human aging and disease. This humble jellyfish truly holds a key to some of life's most profound mysteries. Want to learn more about the incredible wonders of the natural world and beyond? Visit Sikho.ai.